Sambonani abusheni huye mora molo lo chabana bamukara bona ritseni we are within roba jena. Yes. So yes guys, today I'm going to be showing you a way which you guys can make passive income using this app that's causing waves out there. All right, so let's get into it. But today I just want to start off by giving a shout out to Bragget, the new and upcoming brand which has hooked me up. As you can see, I'm looking all fly and ish today. Bona, please do go check them out on their Instagram page. I will put their link in the description down below where you guys can check it out. Go out there and show them support and some love. Okay guys, let's support each other out there. In this video I will show you how to earn a passive income. Alright, so what is a passive income? A passive income is an income which requires little or no effort at all from you to earn it. Okay, so you literally don't do anything pretty much to earn that passive income. So examples of passive income are income such as your rental income, okay, your dividends. If you save some money in your savings account or fixed account, as the bank pays you interest, that's what we call passive income. That interest that you get each and every single month from you investing, that's passive income. Okay, so another example is affiliate marketing. I'm sure you've seen it quite a lot out there. That's pretty much you referring other businesses products, and every time somebody goes and purchases that product through your link, you earn some type of commission from that sale, which makes it passive because you did not work to get that income. So what if I can tell you guys that you can earn passive income through the one and only app M4Jam? Yes guys, the platform does give each and every single member an opportunity to earn a passive income. So if you guys don't know what M4Jam is, please go and check out my other video that I made before this one. There's a card that's gonna appear up there. You can quickly click on it and check it out. Watch that one, then come back and watch this one, okay guys, so that it makes more sense to you what exactly it is and how it works. Now I'll show you how M4Jam pays you passive income pretty much for doing absolutely nothing. But all you need to do basically guys is to refer somebody to the platform. Can I help you? Nah, not really. I just came to say hi. Hi guys. So this is for people that maybe do not have the time to go and become active on the platform, as in going out there and doing the job. So what they can do, they can refer people to the platform by giving those people their link. Tell everybody about M4Jam, and then once those people sign up using your link, you will get a small commission, usually about 5% of what they make. So as long as those people are active and jobbing out there, you get a cut from them. Guess what? Here's the best part. You get paid each and every single time they get paid. This is so different from the other apps out there. I mean, most of them that I've seen, you only get paid once. You refer somebody and you get paid once off. With M4Jam, you get paid each and every single time, guys. Like OMG, that is insane. Pretty much for a lifetime. As long as the platform is still around and existing, you get paid. All right, and I don't know any other platform that does that right now. So if you're lazy or you don't have the time, listen, this is pretty much for you. So I decided to tell you guys about this because I mean, like, I actually got paid from it. I went about and started referring people to the program, and everybody started signing up. So one of my area managers was like, yo dude, refer people to the platform, you know, you can get paid for that, you know what I mean? I'm like, yeah I do, but I'm not really seeing much from it. It's like, no, that's because you don't have a lot. Yes, one person might not make much, but a lot, it really makes a difference. Okay, so basically I went about and I referred, I got people to join in, and then now when those jobbers went out and started working and earning that money, guess what? I got paid. It's insane, guys. Like, honestly, I woke up one day, I found that, oh my goodness, in my wallet there was like $50, guys. Within a day I got like $50. I got paid $50. Okay, cool. I was so excited, whatever, you know. I went to sleep. Next morning, boom, I got $100 in my wallet, guys. I was like, oh, what? How is this even possible? Okay, cool. I was like, you know what, man, maybe it's just this one time only, you know what, whatever. Okay, cool. So then I go to sleep again. I wake up and then boom, oh my goodness, there was over 150 rands, guys, in my wallet. I was like, oh, wow, I cannot believe it. Like, OMG, this stuff works. Like, I mean, that's like 150 in 3 days. So, pretty much, like, from my own experience, I mean, if I'm to get 50 rand each and every single day, let's say for 20 days, not counting weekends, because they don't really operate on weekends except for Saturdays. So each and every single day for 4 weeks, that's 5 days a week, I could literally make 1,000 rands from those commissions that come in, which makes so passive. 1,000 rand passively, guys, like, for doing absolutely nothing except to refer people to this platform, guys, which is absolutely insane. Like, I don't know a platform that does that, guys. Like, if you still haven't signed up or joined Money for Jam, please do so right now. I will put the link in my description down below and in the comment section down below. Let's start making that money, guys. The time, again, guys, as I always say it, the time is right now. Do not waste any more time. This is the app causing waves, guys. Go out there and start referring people to this platform.
Okay guys, so once you're on your profile, on your promo code, you will see your name and surname and other details, and as you scroll down, you will see that there is a share your promo code. So this is where you're going to access your promo code. So as I click on mine, it opens up my promo code, which is that one, and it shows the number of friends that I have. So I currently have 62 friends, as you can see. It also says that you can share your promo code, right, and create your very own workforce that makes you money. So you'll be given what, a 5% of anything someone in your jobber army earns. So get sharing. So you can pretty much share it through your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, WhatsApp, email, etc. So that's pretty much the different platforms that you can share your promo code with. So share it with your friends and family, and as they job and earn money, you make money as well.
And yeah, guys, if your lady be bugging you about money for the weave, hit her up with my link and tell her to sign up. That girl better get her own weave, alright? I'd like to give a shout out to these two awesome people right over here. So guys, please do go and visit their page and show them some support and some love, because they are awesome. Okay, if you also want to shout out, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and we will come show you some love. Okay, so yes guys, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I will truly appreciate it if you do. Do not forget the red subscribe button right down there. Please hit that button, share this video, tell everybody about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time in my next video. Peace. Okay guys, I'm about to attempt to put in false lashes. You know, I've been quite intrigued with them ever since they came into fashion, if I may put it that way. So yeah, I'm about to try them out and see how it goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna start. Okay, so I'll hold the middle. Just gonna put them on. Okay. OMG, this is so insane. Oh my God. goodness, like what the heck? Like this is insane, guys. I can't even get this right.